हामी सबैजनाले सुनेको नाम पारिजात, विष्णु कुमारी वाइबा। धेरैले पढेको नपढे पनि सुनेको कृति शिरीषको फुल। तर वास्तवमा पारिजात को थिइन्? If you really want to understand the person behind the name, not just the celebrated author, you have to read these 4 memoirs Parijat herself wrote. And if you are wondering where to begin, here's the order I recommend reading them. You can start with धुपी, सल्लाह र लालीगुराँसको फेदमा। यो किताबमा पारिजात आफ्नो दार्जिलिङमा हुर्केको बाल्यकाललाई सम्झिन्छन्। बाल्यकालको चुलबुल्ता, आमा बिना हुर्किदाको सकस, दाइ बहिनीसँगको सम्बन्ध, पहिलो प्रेम, पहिलो चुरोट र पहिलो कविताको जन्म। Second is अध्ययन र सङ्घर्ष. The first memoir ends with a 12-year-old Parijat leaving Darjeeling and moving to Kathmandu. यो किताब त्यहीँबाट सुरु हुन्छ। काठमाडौँ आइसकेपछि उनले देखेको र भोगेको काठमाडौँ, her entry into the literary world, her encounters with some of Nepal's most prominent writers of that time, and also the beginning of the health problems that would stay with her for the rest of her life and eventually kill her. Next is भावुकताको सूर्यास्त, अनास्थाको अन्धकार. For me, this was the most intense and emotionally difficult read. यो किताब उनी 7 वर्ष काठमाडौँ बसाइपछि दार्जिलिङ फर्किँदाबाट सुरु हुन्छ. And she reunites with this guy. They deeply love each other, but life has taken them in different directions and life doesn't allow them to stay together. त्यो भाग पढ्दा एकदमै इमोसनल, एकदमै मन छुने छ त्यो होल सिनेरियो नै. अनि केही समय दार्जिलिङ बसेर पारिजात फेरि काठमाडौँ फर्किन्छन्. तर त्यसपछिको जीवन झन् कठिन हुँदै जान्छ. Her health continues to deteriorate. Financial hardship become more severe. I think she also loses her father at the same time, and she is struggling to make ends meet. So first half उनको त्यो एउटा in a way unrequited love को छ हैन, and second half चाहिँ it's all about her hardship, कति struggle चाहिँ खेप्नु परेको थियो भन्ने चाहिँ छ. So yeah, the fourth and the final book is एउटा चित्रमय सुरुवात. Actually this is a collection of her deeply personal essays. यो बुकमा पारिजात she reflects on a wide range of themes, from money to love to pain to loss to her relationship with God and also other themes. So yeah, this is the chronology that I would recommend you reading. तर आफैले एक्सप्लोर गर्दाखेरि पनि हुन्छ.